Hello, magandang umaga po. Buenos dias. Alam niyo ba, may hawak akong bread. Tapos naisipan ko magluto ng longanisa rolls. So, ngayong araw na ito gusto kong i-share sa inyo. Hindi naman ako marunong magluto, gusto ko lang i-share para kung gusto nyo, magka-idea kayo, lulutuin para sa mga kids nyo. Kung meron kayong kids o pwede din pang matanda, pang adults o pang lahatan na. So, ngayon, gamit ang tinapay na to, tasty bread, magluluto ako ng longanisa rolls. It's very easy and quick recipe. Yan. So, para na magluto tayo. Samahan niyo ako sa pagluluto. Now this is our ingredients. This is longanisa, 2 egg, sliced bread, sliced tasty bread, and the bread powder. Ayan. Okay, so we start cooking now. So, ayan guys, we will start to cook. Our ingredients is the cooked longanisa, egg, powder bread, and bread, the tasty bread, sliced bread. Ayun, I cook first the longanisa, and then now I will wrap it with the bread. Just like that. So easy. Like that. And I will dip it on the egg. Yan. And sprinkled in here. I will wrap it with the powder bread. Ayan. So, ayan siya, oh. Tanan! Okay. Another one. Just the same. Ayan. Ayan, para makita nyo. Ayan. Dip it with the egg. Ayan. Cover with the powder bread. This is longanisa rolls. Favorite of kids. For kids recipe. Ayan. O, diba? Ayan. Ito na siya, o. Tanan! So, okay guys, this is it. We finish wrapping the longanisa, and now we will put it, deep fry it in the pan. Yan. Deep fry it on the oil. Be careful that your oil is so hot before you put the rolls. Ayan. We put only 4 so that there is a space. We make it golden brown, then we will get it. Yan. Okay. And now we will turn it on the other side to make the other side brown too. Okay. It's all look nice, right? Actually, you don't need to do so much frying because the longanisa is already cooked previously. We already boiled the longanisa, so it's just to make brown the cover, the bread and the powdered bread. it. Okay, we will remove it. The first batch is already cooked. Look at it, so golden brown, yummy. I think if you do this, your kids will like it so much. But be sure you accompany it with vegetable so that the diet will be balanced of the food will be balanced. Meat with vegetable like that, or make a salad. Yan, second batch. Wait again to make it brown. Turn it. Okay, look at it. Look at it. So, finish cooking. There you are. It's already finished. That's it. Okay. So yummy. There. So this is it, guys. Yummy, isn't it? Look yummy, isn't it? Okay. So again next time, see you again next time for cute cooking recipes. Bye. Have a nice day. God bless.